going on, guys? Just figured I'd do a little update video or up to speed video on the Chevette Carbs. I got those set of 32mm key hens a while back, and I've been rebuilding them and working on the manifold for a little bit, and finally picked the project back up and ready to really get into this. I already got the AFR gauge installed on the Chevette, so we're good to go for tuning, and we're just going to see what we can get. So let's take a look at what we got. Here they are. It's a set of 32mm key hen carbs off of a, I believe, 86 Yamaha 600 Ninja. Anywho, these got completely disassembled. They went through a diluted bath of simple green for an hour and then scrubbed and meticulously taken apart and everything, cleaned and re-lubed and new gaskets and all that fun stuff. I mean, really, they're super clean for the year, and it'll be really fun to, finally get these on and trying them out. So I got all my runs here. I need to either weld these or I'm going to attempt to maybe braze. I don't know how well that's going to go with the alloy and then just straight aluminum. It might not work at all, but I needed a brazing kit anyway, and this is a good excuse. Also, we had to do some heavy mods to my thermostat here. This is going to actually be sitting up here now, because this first runner using the factory Chevette flange was so buried under here that I couldn't get the right angle on my runner to bring it upward so that when this is actually in the car, I will be avoiding hitting the master cylinder. So this is all coming in the next couple weeks. I've got new diaphragms for the slides on the way. New float needles, new bowl gaskets. I already replaced the O-rings and all of the fuel rails and the vent tubes on either bank here. Slides, throttle adjustment, which is pretty badass. I think this should be on every car. And then floats, bowls are good, hardware, caps. We're ready to go. I can tell this carb was put through the ringer because these diaphragms here already have some ATV or RTV silicone trying to repair a hole that they had. So those are all shot. Can't use them. But we're getting closer. Hopefully these parts will get here soon, and I can get that manifold mocked up and finally get this on Charlie and start tuning. So it's kind of a short video. Didn't intend for it to be long, just sort of a, hey, I'm still around, I'm still doing stuff. Always working on the cars. You can ask my wife, she yells at me for it all the time. Just a quick update. I'll be posting some more videos on the install and mocking up the manifold, getting that all put together, and hopefully be posting something again here in the next couple of weeks. So stay tuned, and hopefully we can get these on and go for a rip. I'm super excited to see how it goes. Until the next episode, guys, OddFather out.